In the automotive repair market, a set of tools has emerged that combines innovation, quality, and practicality, perfect for those seeking a professional finish for their vehicles. This tool system is designed to efficiently address dents of various sizes, offering an effective and reliable solution for bodywork repair. It stands out for its new design, optimized not only for performance, but also for ease of use. Its new packaging makes transport and operation more convenient and secure. Additionally, each tool is crafted from high-quality materials, endorsed by professionals in the industry. Key advantages: innovation and versatility, adapted for all types of dents, proven quality, robust and durable tools, practical packaging, designed to streamline usage and ensure safe transport. Step-by-step usage guide: clean the dent with a clean, damp cloth. Preheat the glue gun for 5 minutes after inserting the glue stick. Choose a suitable pulling tab based on the dent size. The larger the tab, the greater the pulling force. Apply hot melt glue to the 4 holes of the tab and place it at the center of the dent, letting it cool for about 8 minutes. Use the T-shaped repair tool to align and lift the dent by pulling back the sliding rod. If imperfections remain, gently smooth the area by tapping with a hammer or leveling pen. Clean off any residue with a damp cloth to complete the repair. This set not only delivers precise, high-quality results, but also speeds up the repair process, making it simple even for those without prior expertise. An ideal investment to preserve the aesthetics and value of your vehicle.